If you want to bleep swears in CapCut, this video is going to show you the fastest way to do it so your edit sounds clean, professional, and ready to post. Whether you're making a YouTube video, a short form clip, or a podcast style edit, censoring words with a beep sound is one of the easiest ways to make your content more polished. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and simple editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your timeline is ready. You want to already have the part of the video where the swear word happens, so you can line up the censor sound properly. If you haven't trimmed your clips yet, do that first so it's easier to find the exact moment you need to cover. Now go to the top left corner of the screen and open the media or audio panel. This is where CapCut keeps the built-in sound options you can add to your video. Once you're in that section, click on Sound Effects. That will take you to CapCut's built-in audio library, where you can search for the classic beep or bleep sound used for censorship. In the search bar, type beep or bleep and press enter. CapCut should now show you a list of sound effects that match your search. Take your time here, because not every sound will fit the style of your video. Some beeps are too harsh, some are too soft, and some are too long. Hover over the results and click the play icon to preview each one until you find a standard censorship tone that sounds right for your edit. One very important thing to watch for is whether the sound is free to use. CapCut sometimes marks premium effects with a red pro label, so avoid those if you want to keep everything free. Choose a sound effect without that pro tag so you can use it right away without hitting a paywall. If you don't want to use CapCut's built-in audio, you can also download a free sound effect from stock websites. There are plenty of free beep and censor sound effects online, and that can be a great option if you want a specific tone or a cleaner audio style. Just make sure the file is legal to use in your project and matches the vibe of your content. Once you've found the beep sound you want, it's time to place it on the timeline. Find the swear word in your video and locate the exact moment it starts. You want the beep to cover the word completely, so zoom in if needed for more precise editing. Then drag your chosen beep sound effect down onto the audio track directly beneath the swear word segment. After it's on the timeline, line it up so the beep starts exactly when the word begins. If the swear word lasts longer than the sound effect, or if the sound effect is too long, you'll need to trim it so it matches perfectly. You can use Ctrl+B to split the audio, or simply drag the sides of the beep sound effect inward until it fits the duration of the muted gap. The goal is for the beep to cover only the part you want censored, with no extra sound hanging over the next words. If there's any excess bleep audio left over, delete it so the censor effect feels clean and intentional. A tight edit makes a huge difference, especially if you're trying to make the video sound natural instead of messy or distracting. You can also listen back a few times and adjust the placement if the beep comes in too early or too late. For an even better result, mute or lower the original swear word audio underneath the beep so the censor sound fully replaces it. That way the word is hidden properly and the censorship feels seamless. If the volume is too loud, you can also adjust the beep level so it blends better with the rest of your audio. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to bleep swears in CapCut using either the built-in sound effects library or a free downloaded censor tone, and how to place and trim it so it matches your timeline perfectly. Once you get the hang of it, this becomes a super fast editing trick you can use in almost any video. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.